Want to change a Viber group name to something more fitting? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. For extra support, you can also join the channel membership. First, it is important to know that only an administrator of the group can change the group name. If you are an admin, you will need to open the Viber app and go into the specific group chat. Once you are inside the group chat, you must then tap on the group's name at the very top of the screen. This will open the group information screen where you can see all the details and settings. At the top of this screen, tap on the small pencil icon next to the current Viber group name. You can then type in the new name for your group and tap the checkmark or Save button to confirm it. You can also change the picture of the group if you like by tapping the image at the top. Select a new image and confirm the change. And that's how you can change a Viber group name, a simple task for any admin looking to update their group's identity. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.